Hello everyone! Today we're taking a closer look at the Gardtech Hand Dibber, a tool designed to make your planting tasks more efficient and enjoyable. Let's explore its features, performance, and overall value. The Gardtech Hand Dibber is crafted to assist gardeners in creating precise holes for seeds, bulbs, and seedlings. With its ergonomic design and durable materials, it aims to simplify the planting process and enhance your gardening experience. Using the Gardtech Hand Dibber is straightforward. Grip: hold the wooden handle comfortably in your hand. Position: place the pointed end on the soil where you intend to plant. Insert: apply downward pressure to create a hole to your desired depth, guided by the depth markings. Plant: place your seed or bulb into the hole. Cover: gently refill the hole with soil and pat down to secure the planting. This dibber boasts a classic wooden handle paired with a chrome-coated stainless steel head, ensuring both durability and a timeless aesthetic. The depth markings on the head allow for consistent planting depths, which is crucial for uniform growth. Its lightweight construction ensures ease of use without causing strain during extended gardening sessions. In terms of performance, the Gardtech Hand Dibber excels in creating uniform holes for planting. The sturdy construction prevents bending or rusting even with frequent use. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue. However, some users have noted that the depth markings can be a bit challenging to read in low light conditions. Each product have their positives and negatives. Let's start off with the pros first. Durable materials ensure longevity. Ergonomic design for comfortable use. Depth markings aid in consistent planting. Lightweight and easy to handle. Now it's time for the cons. Depth markings may be hard to see in certain lighting. Wooden handles require proper care to prevent weathering. Customers had a lot to say about the product. Let's look at some of them. After carefully considering the features, pros and cons, and customer feedback, we'd rate the Gardtech Hand Dibber a solid 4.5 out of 5 stars. Its combination of durability, functionality, and classic design makes it a valuable tool for both novice and experienced gardeners. The Gardtech Hand Dibber stands out as a reliable and efficient tool for any gardening enthusiast. Its thoughtful design and quality materials ensure it will be a staple in your gardening toolkit for years to come. What are your thoughts on the Gardtech Hand Dibber? Have you used it in your garden? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tool insights.